If you are truly searching for a premium sound experience, what you are about to see today isn't just an upgrade, it's a complete transformation. Because today we are not talking about just another speaker system, we are talking about an audio setup that can turn your living room into a private cinema. This system doesn't just make sound louder, it makes it bigger, deeper, and more immersive. Explosions won't just be here, you feel the impact. Dialogues become so crisp and clear it feels like the actors are standing right in front of you. Background scores expand across the room and action scenes pull you directly into the story. And the best part, all of the power without bulky speakers, without messy wiring, and without compromising your room's aesthetics. Imagine this, a sleek, compact Bose Smart Dolby Atmos soundbar creating cinematic surround sound paired with a wireless Bose Bass Module 500 delivering deep room filling bass without dominating your space. This combination delivers the perfect balance of clarity, power, and immersion. And enthusiasts already know the Bose sound signature belongs in a league of its own, and when their premium soundbar is paired with a dedicated bass module, the experience evolves very good sound to true home theater. Today we are taking a closer look at the Bose Smart Dolby Atmos soundbar and its perfect low frequency partner, the Bose Bass Module 500. If you want a clutter-free setup, premium aesthetics, and cinema level performance, the might be exactly what your living room has been waiting for. Let's break it down step by step. The moment you see the system, one thing becomes clear. This setup isn't designed to look loud, it's designed to perform premium. No flashy elements, just clean, minimalist luxury. The soundbar features a sleek low profile body that blends seamlessly under almost any TV. The front grills is clean, the matte finish feels refined, and the build quality feels solid and precise. It doesn't demand attention, but it absolutely earns it. Base Module 500 design. The subwoofer comes in compact cube style design, significantly smaller than traditional bulky subs, but don't let the size fool you. The glossy finish gives it a high-end look, and thanks to its compact footprint, you can easily place it near your TV console, beside your sofa, in a room corner, and since it completely wireless placement in flexible and clean. Setup is refreshingly simple, no complex wiring, no external receiver, no amplifier required. Connect the soundbar, plug in the subwoofer, pair them, done. For modern living spaces, this plug and play simplicity is a major advantage. The first thing you notice when powered it on, clarity. The sound is exceptionally clean, vocals feel natural and forward, background details remain distinct. This isn't exaggerated loudness, this is refined, controlled high-end audio. In movies and streaming content, dialogue's clarity is everything. Bose includes an AI-powered dialogue mode that intelligently enhances voices. Soft conversation stay clear, fast speech remains intelligible, background effects never overpower voices. For late night viewing, this feature is game changer. You don't need high volume to hear everything clarity. Dolby Atmos experience. With built-in Dolby Atmos, sound extended beyond simple left and right channels. Upward firing drivers reflect sound of the ceiling to create a height effect. Range scenes feels like they are falling from above helicopters moving across the room with noticeable direction. While it's not a full multi-speaker sound system, for a compact soundbar setup, the immersion is impressive. Not all content supports Atmos. That's where Bose True Space Processing shines. It intelligently analyzes stereo or standard surround audio and expands it into a more spacious multi-channel experience. TV shows, sports, YouTube, everything feels wider and fuller. In everyday use, this keeps the experience consistently premium. The soundbar alone delivers balanced audio, but once you add the Bass Module 500, the foundation transformation. Deep rumble, tight punch, cinematic weight. Explosions carry real impact. Music feels dynamic and energetic, yet importantly, the bass never muddies the vocals. This subwoofer focuses on precise over excesses, deep extension, clean output, minimal distortion, controlled vibration. It's powerful but disciplined. Perfect for apartments or modern living spaces. The soundbar delivers clarity, the subwoofer delivers depth. Together they create a balanced cinematic soundstage. Detail size, clear mids, control impactful lows. This isn't just a loud system, it's a premium listening experience. If you don't just want to watch content but want to experience it, if you value clean aesthetics as much as powerful performance, if you want immersive audio without filling your room with equipment, the Bose soundbar and Bass Module 500 combo is a serious upgrade. It's not just powerful, it's balanced. Not just immersive but refined. Not just a device but a statement of premium sound. Not just device but a statement of premium sound. If you found this review helpful, go ahead and hit like. Let me know in the comments what's your room size and what's your budget range. I'll help you choose the right setup. Subscribe for more honest, detailed premium tech reviews. Best buying links and current offers are available in the description below. Thanks for watching and I'll see you in the next review.